Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable touch pointer on Samsung M35 device. Well, the touch pointer offers precision control over the on-screen cursor, making it easier to select, navigate, and interact with elements on the screen. And also, enabling the touch pointer provides you with a more accurate and controlled way to manipulate the cursor for various tasks and operations. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, so here, scroll down and select About Phone option. Well, within this menu, tap on Software Information and proceed to tap the build number 7 times because this action will enable developer options on your device. Okay, once the developer options are activated, scroll through the settings until you locate the Show Tabs option. And activate the Show Tabs feature by toggling it on. Okay, the settings will display screen taps on your device, providing visual feedback for touch interactions. And also, by enabling this feature, you can visually track and confirm touch input on the screen, enhancing your user experience and interaction with the device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable touch pointer on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.